Johnny, I need some information and fast. There's a woman in trouble.
You mean Mary, the boxer's wife, who was just kidnapped?
Right. You know anything about it?
Maybe I do, maybe I don't. She's in big trouble. She's being held by Martin's goon, Luca.
What's a goon, Luca?
No, Luca Burnett, Martin's henchman.
Right. Where are they?
It's a big city. Could be most any place. You might want to try Jim's Gym.
Thanks, Johnny. I'll be in touch.
It's a bypass operation, Johnny. So? The guy has a history of sinus bradycardia.
I wouldn't know anything about it. You got him on atropine?
Of course.
Do a midline thoracotomy, strip the sap in its vein. Be careful not to puncture the myocardium.